Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm doing a mukbang and I'm doing chicken Alfredo. What's it called? Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm doing a mukbang and I'm eating chicken fettuccine Alfredo and I've made this myself. It's steaming hot, so I'm just going to get into it. So nice. This is so good. Now I made this with my fair hands yesterday and it's so creamy and so nice. What I added was thick cream, milk, butter, chicken. What else did I add? And lots of Parmesan cheese, so it's really, really cheesy. Oh, it's so good. Now, I also have some cucumber here, just for some freshness, for some salad kind of crunchy sounds. It's kind of like a palate cleanser. Look at that. I must say, I'm very proud of what I've made. It's so nice, very creamy, very cheesy. And I've never really had it before. This is the chicken pieces. Can you see? And I've got my water here. I made a bit of a weird noise. This is so nice. Can you see there? Now the taste of Alfredo is very, very simple. I was quite surprised that there wasn't any onion or garlic included, called for. The rest of it, I'm really surprised about that. Sorry, my boyfriend's doing the hoovering up, so sorry if it's a bit loud in the background. Really enjoying this. And the cucumber's adding like a freshness, almost like a salad kind of vibe. So good. And there's the chicken. So I hope everyone's having a great day today, or whatever day it is when you're watching this. I mean, what a mess. I really love the kind of outside peat bit because it's quite crispy. Let's see. Ooh. So good. Now, this dish is American, isn't it, I believe? And a place called Olive Garden in America have this dish. I've never been, obviously, because I'm not in America, but I'd love to try it. Oh. Oh, nothing beats cold water, does it? That's chicken. I hope everyone's really enjoying my mukbangs too. I really love them. I don't know whether to turn my channel into a mukbang channel, because I do enjoy mukbangs, maybe a tiny bit more than normal videos, because obviously you get to eat. Just got my hair in. Just put it back. Cucumber. So good. I'm getting full. Chicken and cucumber. Now, what's your favourite pasta, everyone? I quite like fettuccine. It's quite thick, kind of pasta and chewy. So good. What do you think of my lipstick today? It's a shimmery pink. So creamy. I love the noise. I really like this pasta. The chicken. So comment down below, what's your favourite pasta dish? Do you like chicken Alfredo, or do you like it on its own? Do you like tomato sauces in pastas, or do you like kind of creamy sauces like these? I'm more of a tomato kind of person. I quite like tomato sauces, but really nice to have a change. Now the recipe called for nutmeg, but I don't like nutmeg, so I've missed that one out. But I'm really enjoying this, as you can see. I'm getting full though. So refreshing. So this might have to be my last bite because I'm so full now. Let's make it an epic bite. Lots of chicken. There we go. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of the video. What do you think? Do you like fettuccine alfredo? Do you not? Let me know what next mukbang you'd like me to do. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.